assuming Bola have 270 in our JAMB exam, so how do we calculate it? We divide by. Welcome back. In this video, I will teach you how to calculate the aggregate score for UNIABUJA. UNIABUJA means University of Abuja, and I'm going to teach you how to calculate the aggregate score. But you need to know 3 things about the school. The first thing is that UNIABUJA does not write Post-UTME exam. No Post-UTME exam. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you will need a JAMB score of 180 and above to apply to courses in UNIABUJA. And the last thing is that make sure your O-level is uploaded on your JAMB portal. Make sure your O-level result is uploaded on your JAMB portal. So after doing after taking note of these 3 things, let's calculate the aggregate score for UNIABUJA. We are going to need 2 things to calculate the aggregate score or the screening point for UNIABUJA. We will need JAMB score, and we also need O-level result. JAMB score and O-level results. So, assuming Bola have 270 in our JAMB exam, so how do we calculate it? We divide by 400 and multiply by 60. We divide by 400 and multiply by 60. So, assuming you have 190, 200, you just divide it by 400 and you multiply by 60. So, if you divide 400 by 270 and multiply by 60, you are going to get 40.5. 40.5. So, the point for JAMB score is 40.5. So, now to O-level result. The point for O-level result for UNIABUJA, A1 is 9 points, B2 is 8 points, B3 is 7 points, C4 is 6 points, C5 is 5 points, while C6 is 4 points. So assuming you have 3 A's in your O-level results, assuming you have 3 A1 and you have B2 and B3 in that 5 compulsory subjects, let's calculate. A1 9 points, 9 points, 9 points, B2 will be 8 points, B3 will be what? 7 points. So 7 plus 8, that's 15, plus 9, that's 24. 24 plus 9, that's 33. 33 plus 9, that's 42. 42. 11 points equal to 42. So the next thing is to sum it up. JAMB score is 40.5 plus O-level points. That will be altogether will be 82. Altogether will be 82.5 points. This score can apply for the most competitive courses in Nigeria, which is medicine. You can apply for law, nursing, pharmacy, top courses in that school, which is UNIABUJA. By now, you should be able to calculate the aggregate score for UNIABUJA easily. Are you planning to apply to UNIABUJA? Contact the number shown on your screen right now to register for the UNIABUJA Post-UTME. See you in the next one. So see you in the next one, and I wish you success in your admission.